Welcome to Part 10, Home Within, Heart Abroad, the culmination. In this part, we'll explore the profound lessons of living between worlds, embracing both home and new horizons. We'll reflect on belonging, resilience, and the wisdom gained through migration. By engaging with these reflections, we can learn how to cultivate inner peace, create meaningful connections, and leave a lasting impact. Finding fulfillment not just in where we live, but in how fully we live. After all these years, I feel a deep sense of completeness. Not because everything is perfect, but because I've learned to live fully in both worlds.
That's the culmination of migration, embracing complexity, uncertainty, and transformation, and finding peace within it.
I look back and see the journey, the struggles, the failures, the loneliness, and I realize they were essential. They taught me resiliency, humility, and empathy.
Every step shaped your character. Every challenge refined your heart. Migration isn't just a physical journey, it's a journey of self-discovery.
And now I feel like I can fully belong anywhere, not because I've erased home, but because I carry it inside me.
That's profound. True belonging isn't tied to geography. It's rooted in self-awareness, purpose, and connection.
And I've learned that the heart is elastic. It stretches to embrace new friendships, cultures, and experiences without breaking. It grows with every connection, every lesson, every act of kindness.
That elasticity is the gift of migration. You expand without losing your essence.
I also see how my journey impacts others. People come to me seeking advice, inspiration, or simply a listening ear. I realize now that my experiences, both joyful and painful, are valuable beyond measure.
That's the beauty of sharing wisdom. Your life becomes a bridge, helping others navigate their own journeys.
I've begun mentoring new arrivals, not just in work or logistics, but in embracing the emotional complexities of migration, to help them find balance, resilience, and hope.
And in doing so, you create legacy, a ripple effect that touches lives beyond your own.
I feel like I finally understood something fundamental. Home is not a place, it's a feeling cultivated through connection, contribution, and acceptance of self.
Beautifully said. Home within, heart abroad. That's the essence of integration and fulfillment.
And the heart remembers the streets, the songs, the smells, the laughter of home. But it's also open to new streets, new songs, new communities. It's a living mosaic.
And every piece of that mosaic contributes to the whole of who you are, rich, complex, and endlessly evolving.
I've learned to accept impermanence too. People leave, circumstances change, cities evolve, and yet memories, love, and lessons endure.
That acceptance brings freedom. You are unbound by fear, anchored by experience, and guided by purpose.
And I see the beauty in every struggle, the meaning in every challenge. Even failure becomes a teacher, loneliness becomes reflection, and distance becomes perspective.
That is wisdom earned through experience, introspection, and emotional courage.
And now I feel ready for whatever comes next. I am home within, my heart is open abroad, and my life is a canvas of connection, growth, and meaning.
That readiness is the mark of a fully integrated life. You've embraced uncertainty, nurtured resilience, and found purpose in every step.
I realize that the ultimate reward of migration isn't wealth, status, or achievement. It's wisdom, connection, and the courage to live authentically.
Exactly. The journey transforms not just your location, but your soul. It teaches you the art of belonging without boundaries.
And so I continue, with curiosity, gratitude, and love, honoring home, embracing the present, and creating a legacy for the future.
That is the culmination of migration, a life lived fully, consciously, and with an open heart in every world you touch.
And in that, I am truly whole.
Beyond the horizon, you've discovered not just new lands, but the depth, resilience, and expansiveness of your own heart.
And that brings us to the end of this episode of Beyond the Horizon, a conversation on migration. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring podcast series coming your way. And as always, remember to like, share, and follow the channel for future updates. Thanks for listening.